Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Now we are gonna study and learn something about telling time. It is very critical and important. Before going to exactly how to say, first let's learn this word. You know this word? This one is hour. Okay? Hour. Pronounce it what? Hour. H is not pronounced here. Minute. Okay? You know the meaning of minute. Second. Okay? Half. Nim. Quarter. Row. Okay? There are the words. How do you pronounce? Hour. Hour. Not hour. H is silent here. Hour. Minute. Not minute. Okay? Minute. Minute. And second. Half. In this one, L is silent. Okay? Don't pronounce L. Half. Not half. Not half. Okay? Half. And the last one is quarter or quarter. Got it? Quarter or quarter. So, now, how can we tell the time? For example, a person asks you, what is the time? Or what time is it? So, you may get confused. How should I answer now? Okay? We have two ways to tell the time. First, hour and minute. Okay? Hour and minute. Now, look at this clock here. What time is it? First, till the hour and then minute. Okay? If I write here, yeah, this one is 10, this one is hour, and this one is what? Minute. So, how can you say? First, till the hour, 10. 10, you can add an and as well. Okay? You can use and you can say without and. For example, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10 and 20. Okay? 10, 20, 10 and 20. If a person asks you, what time is it? You can say, it is 10, 20. Or it is 10 and 20. Got it? The second way, first, you mention the minutes. Okay? First, you express or mention the minutes, and then use to or past or after, and then hour. This one is a little tricky. Okay? Listen carefully. From here, from minute 1 up to half or 30, you have to use what? Past. Past or after. Minute 1 till 30. Got it? From minute 1, 10, 30, you have to use what? Past or after. Come to this example. Here, the first structure was like this. 10 and 20, 10, 20. But in this structure, you can say like this. 20 past 10. Got it? 20 past 10. Or 20 after 10. 20 after 10. Got it? But from this number after 30, okay? Or the second half, you have to use what? 2, okay? Second half. For the second half, you have to use 2, but you have to say the second hour. How? Look here. If I change it to this, look now. The first structure is easy. 10 and 40. 10, 40, 10 and 40. But if you want to say it in this structure, so you have to say like this. 20, 20 to 11. here we don't mention this hour. 20 to 11, not 10. Okay? In the second half, you have to mention the second hour or the hour that comes after. Got it? You have learned. Let's review once more. For telling the time, we have two structures. Okay? The first mention the time and then and minute. This and is what? Optional. And is what? Optional. You can mention and you can ignore it. Like this, 10 and 40. 10, 40. Okay? Second structure, I told you. First, you mention the minute and then to or past or after. When do we use past or after? When the minute is from 1 till 30. But to is used for the second half, but considering or respected to this next hour. Got it? For example, here 10 and 40, 20 to 11. Got it? So this is the rule. It is very easy. Now come to book. Here also you have some examples. Look here. There are two ways to say the time. First, the hour plus the minutes, and second, the minutes to past plus hour. But in your book, after is not mentioned. Okay? American people mostly use what? After. But British people mostly use past. Got it? Yeah. Look here. 11, 12, 12 past 11. 2, 20, 2, 25. 2 and 25, as I told you, it is correct. And then 25 past 2. This one, 3:57. 3 and 57 is also correct. 57 past 3. 57 after 3, also correct. Got it? Here, 11:45. 11:45. But here, look, quarter to 11. You can use what? Quarter to 11. Not 11:45. It is wrong. Quarter to 12. Got it? Quarter to 12. Because we regard or respect the second hour. Got it? So, it is very easy, but it needs much more exercise and practice. You have to practice a lot to get familiar. Got it? Now come to this text. And one more thing. If you want to mention the time, you have to use preposition at before time. Got it? At. For example, I arrive there at 8 o'clock. Not on 8 o'clock or in 8 o'clock. Okay? At 8 o'clock. At. Got it? So, let's read this one. Look, it is a kind of letter. So the first date and then the name of the receiver. After that, the sender. At the end of headline, you have to use what? Or headings, you have to use subject. What is the letter about? Okay? This one is a letter. I have the following plans for our program. Okay? So I would like to have your permission. Okay? Not permission. It is not pronounced ran. Okay? It is pronounced what? Shan. Permission. To go ahead and expand our program. Expand. Okay? Develop. There will be around 7 programs. Each one will last 20 minutes. Last. Okay? Continues. Last means continues. They will be from 8:30. Look. They will be from 8:30 to 8:50. In another way, they will be from 8:30 to 10 to 9. Got it? On Friday evenings, we are going to interview people in the studio. For example, they will be the head of English department from Directorate General of Curriculum Development, and we will plan to travel the north as well. Okay? As well means to north is the opposite of south. In addition, we intend. We intend means we want. Okay? We intend to fly to Kandahar and interview some students and teachers to ask about their problems. Okay? Problems. Our journey, not journey. Okay? Our journey will take about 2 weeks. Got it? And will cost, do you know the cost? Hazina. Will cost about 20 million Afghanis. The total cost of the program will be approximately. Approximately means about, around. Okay? تقريبا. Yeah? So I need your permission for going ahead. Sincerely yours. It is the closing of your letter. Yeah. This one, this was what we were gonna study and learn today. It was what? Telling the time. We have 2 ways for telling the time. First, you mention hour and then minute. Okay? The second way, first minute plus 2 if it is the second half, but if it is the first half, use past or after. Have a good day. See you.